economic, what you call this, middle income, economic, yung status. Yeah, so middle income economic status. With that being the case, they will have more spending power. Meron po silang mga tinatawag na savings, additional savings, at baka gusto po nilang bumiyahe for the first time kasama na kanilang mga pamilya. So, it makes no sense na pipigilan mo itong mga first-time travelers and yung mga gustong umikot sa ibang bansa kasama ng kanilang pamilya at ma-offload po sila. That's basically economic profiling. If there's racial profiling in some countries in the prohibition of travel, in our country it seems like economic profiling. Kung barok ang English mo, baluktot ang pagsalita mo, kagad-agad i-offload ka or you're up for secondary screening. Hindi maganda yon. And it is also